Rowe Shamrocks. Today we're gonna be doing the Rowe Reads. What book are you reading?
I am reading the first Percy Jackson book by Riordan. I liked this book because it has a lot of Greek mythology and has good action, adventure and stuff, and it's just like a real classic book. The genre of this book is action, adventure, and it has a tiny bit of mystery, but not too much. And yeah, I would recommend this book to anyone who likes either Greek mythology or action adventures or good fiction stories like Harry Potter or something.